Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money on Cash App. Most payments sent to you are automatically accepted and deposited into your linked bank account or Cash App balance. If a payment is pending, you'll see a notification. Simply navigate to your Activity tab, locate the pending payment, and tap Accept. It's a straightforward process, usually taking just a few seconds to complete. Cash App also allows you to send and receive payment requests, which is incredibly useful for splitting bills or reminding someone about a payment. To request money, tap the Request button, enter the amount, and select the person. They'll receive a notification and can then easily send you the funds. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and clarity to your transactions. Sometimes, you might encounter a few hiccups. If a payment seems stuck in pending, first verify your internet connection and that your app is updated. Double-check your linked bank account details for any errors. For more complex issues, like a payment sent to the wrong person, it's best to reach out to Cash App support directly through the app for personalized assistance. Keeping your Cash App secure is paramount. Always confirm the sender's identity and the payment amount before accepting. Never share your login details, PIN, or verification codes with anyone, even if they claim to be from Cash App support. Enabling security features like a PIN or Touch ID adds an important layer of protection to your account and funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.